Hello friends. Welcome to the fascinating world of the bipartisan system, where people from different backgrounds and beliefs come together to make important decisions. It's like being part of a big team, where everyone has a role to play. Let's embark on a journey to understand how this system works and why it's so important. In the bipartisan system, there are two main political parties, the Blue Democrats and the Red Republicans. They represent different ideas and values. The Blue Democrats believe in fairness, equality, and helping those in need, while the Red Republicans focus on individual freedom, responsibility, and limited government intervention. Just like in your favorite storybooks, these parties are like colorful characters who come together to create a captivating plot. Imagine a big stage where the Blue Democratic and Red Republican leaders stand. They are like the captains of their respective teams, working tirelessly to promote their ideas and gain support from the people. It's a bit like a friendly competition, where they try to convince others that their party's approach is the best way to create a better society. But wait, there's more to the story. In addition to the Blue Democrats and Red Republicans, there are also independent thinkers who don't align with any particular party. These independents have unique viewpoints and can choose to support ideas from either side. It's like being a free spirit who looks at the world with a fresh perspective. Now let's dive deeper into the practical workings of the bipartisan system. Imagine a big house called the legislature. Inside, there are different rooms where lawmakers gather. Some rooms are filled with Blue Democrats, while others are occupied by Red Republicans. They debate and discuss various issues, each trying to promote their party's beliefs. It's like a lively theater play, where the characters passionately defend their positions. The process of making laws in the bipartisan system is like a puzzle coming together. The Blue Democrats and Red Republicans must find common ground and agree on the rules that will govern the land. Sometimes the independents play a crucial role in bridging the gap between the two parties. It's like being the glue that helps hold the puzzle pieces together. In the bipartisan system, compromise is a key ingredient. It means finding a middle ground where both parties can agree, even if it means not getting everything they initially wanted. It's like sharing a delicious pizza with your friends, where everyone chooses their favorite toppings, but they also consider what others would enjoy. Compromise ensures that decisions are fair and balanced. The bipartisan system also teaches us the value of listening and respect. Lawmakers must actively listen to each other's perspectives, even if they disagree. It's like having a big family discussion where everyone gets a chance to share their thoughts. By listening to different viewpoints, they can gain new insights and make more informed decisions. Sometimes disagreements arise in the bipartisan system, just like in any team or group. The Blue Democrats and Red Republicans may strongly disagree on certain issues. However, they continue to engage in respectful dialogue and negotiation, always striving to find common ground. It's like when you and your friends have different opinions on what game to play, but you work together to find a solution that makes everyone happy. In the bipartisan system, everyone has the opportunity to participate, not just the Blue Democrats and Red Republicans. Independent thinkers, like the curious explorers they are, bring fresh ideas and perspectives to the table. They can influence decisions by supporting the ideas they believe in, regardless of party lines. It's like having a diverse group of superheroes who don't belong to any particular team but work to make the world a better place in their own unique way. Just like you, with your own special talents and interests, independents add a splash of creativity and independence to the bipartisan system. In the practical world of the bipartisan system, elections play a significant role. It's like a big event where people get to choose their leaders and lawmakers. Citizens, including the littlest members of society like you, have a voice through their votes. It's like being part of a democracy, where everyone's opinion matters, regardless of party affiliation. Now let's explore the concept of checks and balances in the bipartisan system. It's like having a group of superheroes who ensure that no one has too much power. They keep an eye on the leaders and lawmakers, making sure they're making fair decisions. It's like having a team of referees in a game, ensuring that everyone plays by the rules. The bipartisan system also involves the court system, where judges interpret and apply the laws created by the lawmakers. They ensure that everyone is treated fairly and that the laws are followed. It's like having a group of wise characters, similar to the judges in your favorite storybooks, who ensure justice prevails. In this practical world, The bipartisan system encourages compromise and collaboration. It's like when you and your friends want to decide what movie to watch. Some might prefer a funny movie, while others may want something adventurous. Instead of arguing, you all work together and compromise by choosing a movie that includes both elements, creating a fun and exciting experience for everyone. The bipartisan system is not just about making decisions, it's also about creating a sense of unity and belonging. It's like being part of a big family, where even though you may have different ideas, you still love and support each other. The red Republicans and blue Democrats may have different approaches, but they all share a common goal of making their country a better place. In conclusion, the bipartisan system is like a grand adventure where people with different ideas and beliefs come together to make decisions. It's about collaboration, compromise, and listening to each other. Just like in your own little world, where you and your friends find ways to play together and have fun, the bipartisan system teaches us the importance of working together for the greater good. Remember, as you grow older, you too will have the opportunity to participate in this amazing system. Your voice and ideas will shape the future of your country. Embrace the colorful world of the bipartisan system, respect different perspectives, and always strive for harmony and fairness. By doing so, you will contribute to creating a world where everyone's opinions are valued and the magic of collaboration thrives. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like, subscribe buttons and the notification bell so you can join the Simplify squad.